Video, video. Oh.
Hari.
යනෝ නේද? අර මැදේ කොබන්න ඕනේ යනවා.
Hari hari क्या?
I am Master Ferdinand from Sri Lanka. Presently I am at my late father's estate, which is in the Kurunegala district, in the middle of the town, which is on the Kandy Road. Today I would like to speak on how a little soap and water can wash away the COVID-19 virus. Really what happens is this still a mystery. It is said that the COVID-19 virus is a RNA strand, one strand with oil covering to protect it. So does the soap dissolve the oil covering, like soap dissolves dirt which has oil in it and washes it away? Does the same thing happen in the what you call COVID virus too? Or is it the alkalineness of soap, which is around 9 and 10, that destroys the COVID virus, 19 virus? Because all these viruses also work at a pH range, and which have to work on enzymes, and enzymes work on the pH range, so which is maybe the pH range for COVID-19, they say is maximum around 8.5. So soap has a pH range of 9 and 10, washing soap. So that causes the virus, or the COVID-19 virus, to get destroyed, or is it the oil covering of the virus getting dissolved that destroys the virus or the virus? Well, these are all debatable points, and which more research will have to be done. So if a little bit of soap and water can wash away the COVID virus from humanity, then one may ask a question: if drinking what you call water that has a alkaline pH of 9 or over, will it destroy the COVID virus in the throat? Because the COVID virus stays at least in the throat, they say, for 24 hours. These are also very debatable issues. Now the bottle that I have in my hand is a alkaline water, which is around 9.8, and which cost about 100 rupees, a 500 milliliter water bottle. So drinking this also, will it wash away or destroy the COVID virus which is in the throat? These are all debatable points, but according to the Sri Lanka standards, water must have a maximum of 8.5 pH, but this has 9.8. So this will have to be what you call only the health ministry that will have to approve it. But this water is freely available in supermarkets, and can be a one of the ways of getting rid of the COVID-19 virus. So if a little bit of soap and water can destroy the COVID virus, like it can wash away a little lipstick from one's face after a date. These are some of the issues that can be debated. But anyway, one must keep in mind that even COVID-19 is works on a pH range, and if we can go beyond that pH range, we can destroy this virus forever from humanity, and this way this virus will not become so deadly. And it is only just a one strand RNA that is causing all this problem, but highly infectious. With these thoughts, I will close.